The price of Bitcoin fell to 58.9 yesterday, but I hope you guys didn't get trapped because now we're back to $63,000. And we spoke about this on the Moon Show. We said that Bitcoin will likely break out above the falling wedge pattern that was forming on the 4-hourly time frame. And I actually did end up opening another position for Bitcoin. I know I wanted to wait for the $65,000 position. But to be honest with you, I couldn't miss this falling wedge breakout. So make sure to follow the Moon Show for shorter term time frame positions like so if you don't want to miss out on them. But honestly, I think it still is an interesting time to be entering long positions. If we break out above 63.6, then you would be confirming a double bottom on Bitcoin. Because it is Friday, we only have today to make this move. But I do believe that we can continue the bullish move towards Monday of next week, and that would give you, if you do open a long position, that will give you a trade of up to 5.64% unleveraged, because I think Bitcoin can make it back to 66.4K from the breakout of this falling wedge. And honestly, I want to add more to my Bitcoin position, but this is the only Bitcoin I have, or the USDT I had left. Everything else is tied up in the rest of the positions for the $10,000 trading challenge. But if you do want to open a long position, then I think this would definitely be a very interesting setup. And make sure to join, by the way, make sure to join the PNL showdown with CryptoKid before making any trades on Bitflex, because here you can get a chance to winning Apple iPhone giveaways and Apple Watch giveaways, AirPods giveaways, and much, much more. The coolest thing that I'll be doing, of course, is giving away CryptoKit hoodies and access to Carl from the Moon and DaVinci, which they don't know about this, but I will make it happen. So make sure to join the challenge. It's super easy to join. Click register, sign up to Bitflex, takes around 2 seconds to do so, and achieve at least $40,000 in trading volume, which is super, super easy to do. $4,000 with 10x leverage will give you that. So it's a very easy process. And yeah, make sure to join using links down below, and you can get up to $68,000 worth of bonuses. With that said, I think the short term for Bitcoin is super bullish. So is the macro analysis. But I wanted to show one more thing. If you watched the last video, I talked about some of my meme coin holdings and my altcoin positions that I decided to ape into, and all of them have done pretty well. So Medieval Empires is up 4.35%, Puffy 22.28%, Illuvium 6%, Zebu 0.25%, but it was a little bit higher as well yesterday, Pepe 8%, Shiba Inu 9%, Dogecoin 6%, so massive congrats if you were able to buy into these meme coins as well. In the macro landscape, we can see that the monthly time frame for Bitcoin is also incredibly bullish. Every time after the United States election, Bitcoin tends to rally up. If we go to November of 2016, we can see November 2016 was at this point the time we were breaking above prior all-time highs, and boom, Bitcoin enters the next stage of the bull run. If we go to the past cycle, not election necessarily, however, after 20-ish or so months from the bottom, you tend to see the market breaking above prior all-time highs. So yeah, 22 months, 23 months, and boom, you start the final leg of the bull market. The same amount of duration took place in the cycle before that. So 22 months, 23 months, and you decide to see a breakout from prior all-time highs, and the most exciting part of the bull market begins. The only problem with this cycle was that we achieved new all-time highs in 17 months instead of 20-ish months. And that is why we got punished with what is called a huge bull flag right here. 7 months, 8 months of consolidation, that was the issue. But believe me guys, this is not an issue, because this consolidation period will be incredibly rewarding. We've been at all-time high territories for so long, and eventually Bitcoin is going to break out. That is why I have these positions. That is why I highly recommend looking into potentially trading these Bitcoin bull flags and the huge breakout that is about to come, because you will most likely make, right, and nothing in this video is financial advice, but you will most likely make life-changing capital from some of these positions and trades, and you only have like 10 months or so to do it. Just take advantage of it. And it's so annoying because I was actually going to post the falling wedge breakout on YouTube a lot earlier in the day, but unfortunately the audio or something didn't work. Let me try and find if I still have the clip, and maybe I'll put it towards the end of this video. But it's super important to stay subscribed, turn on the notification bell and watch every single video for the next 10 months, because if you miss out, then you're missing out on a lot of life-changing opportunities. But with that said, guys and girls, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Take care, and bye-bye.